Hi, good evening, teacher. Today I go to talk about my favorite city. My favorite city is Huancayo. Huancayo, it belongs to the province of Junín and is located in the center of the country. I went 2 months ago to visit my relatives. First we walked through to the park of the Huanca identity and took some photos. Then we to a place called Ingenio for a lunch. We ate fish now as trout and drink Inca Cola soda. Uh, then we went to the artisanal tourist park of the Burilan Mates, Parque de los Mates Burilados, and we had a lot of fun. The next day we went to Nevado de Huaytapallana. It was a magical place. The weather there was very cold and the journey was very calm. It is very beautiful city to live and visit. Thanks for your attend.